All-on-4 process was started years ago with a company called Nobel. They designed a system where you could put 4 implants in, and then at the same time as surgery, putting in the prosthesis, which the patient would walk out with teeth in a day. So it's a full upper denture or lower denture, depending on what they're having done. We've been doing that for a long time. We were actually the first practice in Arizona to do that.
When providing something called the Forever Smile, where implants are placed and a permanent bridge made from zirconia is placed, the success of that bridge really comes down to the planning of the team members. It's not just the oral surgeon who makes the decision. We work with a team of people, not only just the lab, but also the restoring dentists. Now the team, we come up with a proper treatment plan, the proper place to have your implants placed, and the proper design for your final smile.
You know, we've done them in 3 or 4 hours. You can get, if they don't have teeth, it's a lot faster. But it takes good 2 or 3 hours, and then the denture has to be converted to fit on top of the implants. And you know, that depends on we try to get the general dentist to come over and work with us that way. And we have a lab guy that helps with the conversion. So it can be a process of 3 to 4 hours for patients.
The temporary bridge we use to allow the patient to have a trial run to determine what fits right in their smile, their bite, the way it fits to the gum tissue. And we can adjust those types of issues while we have a temporary bridge in place. Once that temporary bridge is modified to the patient's satisfaction, usually over about an 8-week period of time, and then we'll convert the patient to their final permanent smile, and that bridge we made from zirconia.
You walk out with teeth, you feel better about yourself, you smile better. I mean, you've seen the commercials, the patients are always saying how, well, my life has changed with this. It is definitely life-changing for patients. And if they can walk out with teeth the same day, it's a great experience for them.